Namaste, welcome to Secrets of Healing. And today we would talk about the silent season which decides your strength, immunity and digestion. This is Shishir Rutu. So clinically nothing is wrong with winter, but spiritually or internally your body is asking for more attention and care. According to Ayurveda, winter doesn't end in December. It begins after that, and this phase is called the Shishir Rutu, the most intense and cold form of winter which spans from January to February. So Shishir Rutu represents the late winter. The weather is cold, dry and still. And this stillness, according to Ayurveda, is never neutral. It creates an internal response of imbalances. Now, if you see the dosha perspective, the vata aggravates because of cold and dryness. The kapha starts accumulating because of heaviness and stillness. And this creates imbalances now, which can create diseases later in long run. One of the most important principles here in Shishir Rutu, and the one which I always emphasize, is the Agni, the digestive fire. Due to the intense cold outside, the body preserves its heat to protect the vital organs. This increases the Agni. This in turn increases the metabolism and digestion. So one feels hungry a lot more times and more intensely. You will start digesting heavy and oily foods more effectively, and body will seek nourishment. But Ayurveda gives a very clear medical caution here. If Agni is strong and nourishment is inadequate, then the Agni will start digesting your own tissues, the dhatus, and this will result in fatigue, dryness, loss of immunity, loss of vitality. So, eating adequate food or eating more food is not indulgence in Shishir Rutu. It is a necessity. It is a therapy. So, Ayurveda prescribes warm, nourishing and unctuous food. The tastes or rasas which are going to support you are sweet, sour and salty. These tastes ground vata and also prevent depletion. So you can include in your diet wheat and rice, milk and ghee, sesame seeds, jaggery, hot soups, meat broths wherever it is suitable. And always remember that fresh and warm meals will not only increase your Agni but also increase your ojas. Cold, dry and insufficient food will weaken your digestion and immunity. So avoid raw foods, refrigerated meals, do not skip meals and avoid overfasting, because this will increase your vata, aggravate it and slowly drain your immunity and strength. Lifestyle is also very important. So we recommend daily abhyanga with warm sesame oil, warm water bath, proper protection from cold winds and gentle exposure to sunlight. This is not just a habit, but it is an act of self-love. Also avoid late nights and cold winds, because this will not only disturb your nervous system but it will also challenge your immunity. Shishir Rutu teaches us an important truth. When your outer world is cold, your inner world should be nourished and protected. Ayurveda reminds us that health is not about taking control of nature but to be in alignment with it. Take care of your body this season and your body will carry you with strength throughout the rest of the year. If you like this information, kindly like, share and subscribe to Secrets of Healing, your guide to modern living through ancient wisdom. Namaste.